Hi everyone, it's Julie from the Two Myers. Now today I'm going to be doing an older adults or a more gentler short Pilates sequence. Now this is suitable for anybody who just wants to do a lower impact sort of Pilates. My Auntie Mary has requested this and I know my mum is wanting to do some of these as well. So hopefully it makes everybody happy today and yeah, come join me. So we're going to start on the floor. Now, I do an older adults exercise class each week. Sometimes it's a little hard for some people to get down onto the floor. You might need something close to you to help you get back up, or stay tuned for our next videos where we have some chair work. Okay, coming down. Hug the knees in towards your chest and just do some nice gentle circles. In both directions. Just warming up the back. So this video today is really just going to be targeting around this trunk area, your core. Placing one foot down, draw one knee in. Nice big foot circles. Now it might feel good to keep the leg bent or straighten it out. Other way. Connecting with our breath and just starting to slow down a little. Good, let's go to the other side. So big circles. Opening and waking up our feet. It's always nice to give our feet some love. Great, so we're going to have the feet on the floor. Opening the arms out to that T position. And we're just going to allow the legs to windscreen wiper from one side to the other. Really allowing the back to lift up, open up through that torso, taking your time to just roll through. These are probably one of my favorite exercises I do. It's nice just to release and open up through the hips and your lower back. One more each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's start to challenge ourselves a little. So picking the legs off the floor, we're going to roll just halfway and then to the other side. Hold halfway. Good, so just rolling back and forth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now if you feel like your lower back is starting to hurt because the feet are off the floor, you can do similar exercise. Just roll and hold halfway. Now I know everybody likes to have a little bit of a challenge, so if you're feeling good, you can just can the legs out. Maybe it's double, or maybe it's just a single. We're just going to go for a couple more. Good, remember your breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Nice. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Little rock. Good. Placing the feet on the floor. Going to go for a single leg extension. So hips are nice and level. Good, and just slide out through the foot of one side. And then bring it back in. So we're starting on the lowest level. Sliding out. And back in. You can start to hover the foot a little bit off the ground. But at any stage you feel any sort of pain or pinching in your back or anywhere else, we just drop it down and we have a break. Alright, starting to challenge yourself, maybe going a little bit higher with that leg extension. You can alternate legs, or you can repeat the same movement on one leg. So we're progressively moving up in this exercise to challenge ourselves. All right, those who'd like to go a little bit harder, come with me. Otherwise, just stay on that lower option. So we're here. Breathe out. Breathe in. As soon as the lower back begins to hurt, we just drop a foot down and we go back to these lower options. All right? Listen to your body today. Breathe. Good, just a couple more on each side. Lovely, finishing it off. Good, and give yourself some love. Hug, 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 hug. Placing the feet on the floor. Heels are nice and close to that butt. We're going to just start with some pelvic tilting. So what you're going to do is push your bottom into the floor, and as you do this, your back will arch, and you should be able to fit your hand in the small of the back there. Then push the back down, lift the butt off just a fraction. Again, we push the bottom down, roll the back. So what we're essentially doing is your hips rocking back and forth, anterior and posterior tilting. They're the fancy words. So we're just mobilizing through that lower back to get some space and movement. All right, so you can stay with this. If you feel like this feels enough for you today, just stay here. Or what we're going to do, on this time we're going to push the back down, lift the bottom up, and can you get it a little bit off the floor? Maybe it's only a couple of inches, and then you come back down. Then we rock, then we push the back, lift the butt up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Can we get a little bit more? Hold for a few seconds, roll down. Push the butt down, push the lower back down, lift the butt up, roll, hold. Really nice, roll down. Remember, wherever you are today is enough. It's your journey. Just the fact that you're doing something today is wonderful. Good, just go a couple more. Now you can always do more of these or less. Squeeze the butt. Can you feel it working? Last one. Roll. Squeeze. Imagine you're trying to squeeze a balloon between those knees. And roll it down. Hug. So we have worked waist, we have worked tummy, and we have worked our butt. To finish off, we're going to work our back. So rolling over onto all fours. So we've got our knees underneath our hips, and we've got our hands underneath our shoulders. Let's cat-cow. So arch the back, tuck the bum under, really try to look at your belly. Then roll through, looking straight ahead, stick the bottom out. Again, roll through, tuck the belly, tuck the bottom, look at the belly. And the other way. Okay, going into our pointer, so into our neutral stance. Our right foot is going to extend out, move up on the mat, extend out, big toe on the floor. Start with the big toe on the floor because it gets you into great alignment. Opposite arm extends out. Now if you like that challenge, you hover the toe off the floor. We don't need to be up here. All it does is hyperextend the back, so keep it low and think about length. Lovely. Touch down. Other side. Big toe on the floor. If this is enough, we stop here. Do we want more challenge? Okay, this is enough for me today. I'd stop here. Or we're here. Length. Someone's pulling you this way, someone's pulling your leg the other way. Really nice. We're going to go a couple more times on each side. So big toe down, lengthen, looking down at the floor, Option, hover the toe. 3, 2, 1. Now it's normal to feel a little bit shaky and unbalanced. This is essentially a balance exercise. Some people may find it's a little bit hard on your knees, so just drop it off if you don't like it on your knees, or find some cushioning to support under your knees. Others don't like this exercise because it hurts their wrists. So remember, everything is tailored to you. If something is hurting, you back it off. Good, let's finish it off. So foot, arm, lift and reach. Really nice work, everyone. Okay, to finish off, we do have a little bit of a challenge. If it's not for you, don't do it. But we're going to come into our forearm plank. So, elbows are underneath our shoulders and our knees are on the ground. Now the key with this one is drop the bottom, and as you do this, your chest will come between your shoulders. Already? This is the challenge. You are in it. You are feeling it. Some people do like to lift those knees off, even if it's for 2 seconds. But remember, butt down. Wherever you are today, breathe, enjoy, and smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, whatever age, whatever level, you can do something for your body. Now, Mum, the challenge is, can you get Dad to do this too? Male, female, young, old. Everybody can do it. So, if you like what we do, thumbs up, leave us a comment, give us a request. This video was a request, so hopefully, Auntie Mary, you and your lovely puppy dog can do this together. And yeah, have a great day. Carly will be joining us soon for some more great videos. Bye.